So hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Shivansh Khare. Today we are going to see what is greenhouse gases and global warming and how it's affecting us in our globe. This is a globe. So now 1, 2, 3, go! Global warming and greenhouse effect. Earth, the third planet from the Sun. The only planet having a vast diversity of life forms, while other planets of our solar system are either scorching hot or bitterly cold. Earth has a relatively stable temperatures. What is that which is making Earth different? What is exactly is making Earth such a favorable place to live on it? It is the Earth's atmosphere, which is a thin blanket of air surrounding the Earth from all the sides. The air is a mixture of many different gases, just like an umbrella which protects us from sun and rain. This thin layer of air protects Earth from the harmful radiations from the sun. But this stable temperature is rising every passing year. Oceans are getting warmer. Significant shift in the climate is seen. Glaciers are melting. Why? All this happening. What should be done to stop all this? We will find the answer to all these questions through the session. Earth is constantly bombarded with enormous amount of radiations. Sun, which we receive in the form of light and heat energy. These radiations in the life forms of visible ultraviolet and infrared waves have to first pass the Earth's atmosphere before reaching the Earth's surface. The ozone layer, which is present in the Earth's atmosphere, blocks some amount of harmful ultraviolet rays from reaching the Earth's surface. Of the remaining rays reaching the surface, part of it is absorbed by the Earth, and some, especially the infrared waves, are reflected back into space. But some gases in the atmosphere traps this heat radiation and re-emits to the surface, which leads to heating up the environment. This exchange of incoming and outgoing radiation that warms the earth is referred as the greenhouse effect. You can see this here. And the gases involved in this are called greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases contains carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, and almost chlorofluorocarbons, etc. Friends, but are you not wondering why it is called a greenhouse effect? If it's something to do with a greenhouse? If you said yes, you are thinking in the right way. A greenhouse is a glass building in which plants that require protection from cold weather are kept in the glass's cover, helps to trap all the heat, energy, and keeps the inside environment warm. Now consider a planet Earth. The atmosphere acts as the glass and traps the heat. The greenhouse effect is initial in order to keep a planet warm. In the absence of this effect, temperature of the Earth's surface would have been minus 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. But too much of something is bad, right? If the plants in the greenhouse receives excess heat, it would burn. And if we consider planet Earth, over the last 2 centuries, human activities have changed the Earth's atmosphere in a dramatic way. The amount of greenhouse gases have increased and are still increasing. They are get to trap too much heat, and this excessive greenhouse effect results in the global warming, which is an increasing in the Earth's average. Now, consequences of global warming are enormous. Now, see, enormous effects are not limited to the one country, but it would affect the entire planet. Knowing the fact that global warming exists and human-made carbon dioxide emissions have caused it. Many nations of the world have came together to sign in an international treaty, the Kyoto Protocol. The major objective of this protocol are commitment to reduce greenhouse gases by about 5% below the 1990 levels. You can see this all map. But what can be done by us? How can we contribute in reducing global warming and also its consequences? Well, planting more number of trees. Yes, reducing waste generations, reducing the use of products with generate greenhouse gases, using energy efficiency appliances, increasing the fuel efficiency of vehicles, using more renewable energy, or safe switch into the greener ways which cause less harm to our environment. That's all for today. So how can we reduce the global warming? If you have an idea, please write down in the comment section below. So please like and share, and who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Bye bye.